Hey guys, I'm Sasha and today I'm going to teach you how to do this shot while stuck at home during quarantine. Gear I'll be using is my trusty Nikon D750 with a 58 1.4 lens plus some Goto speed light. You can do it using anything you got at home. All you need is some creative space and time to do it. This technique is called multiple exposure and it's probably built into any camera you already got. I use Nikon. You can do the same thing with Canon, even better because Canon has a live view preview of the previous shot. You can do it alone, you can use your mobile app, you can do remote controller, you can have help, maybe your wife, kids, somebody. I'm sure you will not be disappointed with the results. Stay safe. Here are some examples of multiple exposure shots I took during live weddings. As you can see, I tend to use the groom's jacket as a dark portion of the image for me to superimpose them into it. Also, I try to include something that is meaningful for the shot. As you can see on the images for the bands, I tend to include the instrument the guy is playing. And this would be me playing the guitar at a recent wedding I shot. This is taken by my second shooter, and this is what you get if you decide to book me for your wedding. To activate multiple exposure mode, you go into menu, down to the photo shooter menu. Second to last option is multiple exposure. Enter that. Select the number of shots you want, 2 or 3. I prefer 2 usually. This example has 3. Just select multiple exposure mode and single photo. Click OK and now it's on. Hey guys, welcome to the second part of the video. Today I'm gonna take my time and do some editing and maybe show a time lapse of actually taking a shot. Editing part is going to be really fast. I'm going to speed the image up because I don't see a point in going step by step because it's going to take like 35 minutes long. So sorry for that, but no way. But first of all, what I'm gonna do is go to the kitchen and grab myself a cup of coffee because I'm an addict. So yeah, see you soon. Hey guys, I'm back. Coffee's here. It's steaming hot. It's woo-hoo! Can't wait to get my toes into it. But first of all, I'm going to show you the time lapse of a shot taking place, so you can see that it can be done really anywhere. That's it. So first of all, you can see I shot this in front of a white wall with no additional gear, so I didn't use any reflectors or some black fabric to create a dark background. All I did is set my settings on my camera to 1/200 of a second, f8, ISO 100 before adding the flash. Then I just added the flash. I don't use light meter. I don't know how to use light meter. I never used light meter, so I'm actually one of those who actually takes a shot, takes a look at the screen, and adjusts the flash settings if necessary. First thing I like to do is I import my shot into Lightroom and try and find a creative crop I prefer. After that, I'll add an preset I create and some radial filters. Now you will see that I really go bonanza with my radial filters because I really do like to have a pinpoint editing on each shot. I want to enhance what is on the shot itself from the very beginning. I very rarely, if ever, manipulate the shot in a way that you don't get to see or you see something that isn't there already. After I'm done with the fiddling part with the filters, I sharpen the image and then go into HSL. I will here fiddle with blue, red, yellow and green channels because basically those are the filter colors I used for the shot taking place. After that, some clarity. Take a look at the image from the far, maybe go full screen and see if it works for you. And then after that I create a additional copy of the virtual copy of the image, do a black and white, and export. And that's pretty much it. So this was it. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you learned something new. I hope you had fun. I hope you'll try and do it yourself, because it's so fun. It's so rewarding in the end when you see the end result. It's different. It's not something you can see on everyday basis. So give it a try. Create something. Post it on my Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle down there. Post it. Tag me. I really want to see your shots. Once again, thanks a lot for your time. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.